Hi, this is Team Cookie Army presenting an explanatory video on ZigBee. First, what is ZigBee? ZigBee is a wireless technology. It's a technological standard designed for control and sensor networks. It's based on the IEEE 802.15.4 standard for wide personal area network, and it's created and owned by a group of companies called ZigBee Alliance. The best characteristics of ZigBee technology include low cost, low power consumption, low data rate, high transmission range, scalability, reliability, high security for users, and mesh networking. Network topologies are considered when installing a ZigBee technology. The first being the star topology, where a central node is connected to various other nodes. The second being the mesh topology, which consists of parent nodes connected to several routers and child nodes. The third being the cluster topology, where the devices are connected as clusters.
Now let's see about the architecture of ZigBee. The ZigBee architecture is a combination of 6 layers, namely the application layer, application interface layer, security layer, network layer, medium access control layer, and physical layer. The application layer is present at the user level. The application net interface layer, security layer, and network layer are the ZigBee alliance, and they are used to store data, and they use the ZigBee stack. And then the medium access control and the physical layer are the IEEE 802.15.4, and they are hardware which are silicon, meaning they accept only zeros and ones. Types of ZigBee devices. So there are 3 types of ZigBee devices, which are ZigBee coordinator device, ZigBee router, and ZigBee end device. So first, ZigBee coordinator device is used to communicate with the router, and this device is used for connecting the other devices. And then the ZigBee router is used for passing the data between the devices. And then the ZigBee end device is the device which is going to be controlling all the other. Security architecture in ZigBee. The ZigBee uses 128-bit keys to implement its security mechanisms. A key can be associated either to a network being usable by both ZigBee layers and the MAC sublayer, or to a link acquiring through pre-installation, an agreement, or transport. Establishment of the link keys is based on the master key, which controls link key correspondence. Ultimately, at least the initial master key must be obtained through a secure medium, that is, either transport or pre-installation, as the security of the whole network depends on it. Next comes the real-time applications. First is industrial automation and home automation, smart metering, and the smart grid monitoring.
Smart home Internet of Things. ZigBee Home Automation is a global standard which helps to create smart homes that can control appliances, security, and energy management, increasing customers' comfort and convenience. And AES 128 encryption is a part of ZigBee Home Automation, which secures personal information, and any devices trying to connect to the network has to go through authentication, And ZigBee home automation also detects unusual events and notifies the user if anything bad happens. Building energy monitoring through ZigBee technology. It is used in energy consumption monitoring as a long-term energy conservation planner. A communication link continually monitors various parameters and critical equipment for energy maintenance. And also, it is used to reduce the communication cost involved. Optimizes the control process for greater reliability. Another application of ZigBee is smart metering. ZigBee Smart Energy is a protocol designed for monitoring and actively managing energy consumption at the end user level. For both utilities and consumers, ZigBee Smart Energy can help reduce waste, energy consumption, and enables utilities to monitor and manage customers' energy use. Furthermore, the end user can monitor their energy consumption. Whereas ZigBee also provides affordability in terms of cost, easiness of usage as it is user-friendly, and reduction of energy consumption, and also reduction of environmental impact as it promotes green energy. The next is smart grid monitoring. Traditional electric grid replaced with intelligent, robust, reliable, and cost-effective smart grid applications. ZigBee tasks in this matrix includes UHV transmission lines monitoring, remote temperature observing, fault locating, and also receptive power administration. Thank you.
ZigBee பண்ணலாம்.
அப்படினா?
If the bleeding starts with placenta in utero, the fundus of the uterus must be grasped and massaged to make it contract. If the placenta shows signs of separation, it must be expressed by the commonly employed fluid endo technique. If the placenta is not separated, no attempt should be made to express it. The third stage of labor starts after the baby's delivery.
Excuse me, இங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க?
அங்கே சனா எக்ஸாம் எழுதிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நான் ஆன்சர் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
இங்க இருந்து எப்படி?
என்கிட்ட பில்ட்-இன் டேட்டா டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டர் இருக்கு. சனா காதுல ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்ரிசீவர் இருக்கு. ZigBee புரோட்டோகால் சிம்பிள்.
இது என்ன ஹைடெக் பிட்டா?
பிட் இல்ல பைட். இது வரைக்கும் 2 மெகாபைட் டேட்டா அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கு.